Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150, that generation between year 2009 and year 2014. If you have one of those, you need to find where the relay is located for the radiator fan control, guys. The main relay practically for the brains of the radiator fan. Stay with us, we'll explain which relay you need to check, and you have two more relays that you can check for low speed, high speed, and that will be if your radiator fan is not working, check that main relay first, guys. Now we'll cover that. We'll explain where you can buy cheap relays from, because they can be really pricey and hard to find in some cases. And number three, we will explain why it's super important to test relays, fuses, that way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our two supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So we'll demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 right here, even if you have a different year, but that generation video may be helpful. Now, if you guys check the relays for the radiator fan, everything's fine, it's still not working, I'll recommend to check the fuses. You have fuses for low speed radiator fan, for high speed radiator fan. The videos will be on our channel, Free Car Repair, check it out. The fuse box is located right under the hood on your F-150. You can see that's the engine, that's the radiator fan right here, the radiator right above it, that's the radiator, that's the fuse box above the radiator, guys. Right here you open that cover, and when you open it you will see your fuses facing that way. You will be on this side, that will be towards the windshield side. Let's first explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. These Ford Motor Company relays could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere or driving through a small town, so I'll recommend to guys keep some in your glove box as spares. You only have 2-3 different kinds of relays, so get some as spares. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. The radiator fan control relay, the main relay, guys, will be that huge relay right here. But you have two more, okay? That's the main relay right here. Then you have relay number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's for high speed radiator fan. And then you have that one in the corner here, that's for low speed radiator fan right here. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.